Chef Royal Cooking or Chef Royal Cooking. Them man they cook from them a youth. No joking. I cook from your straight off foreign. Let's go, Chef Royal.
Yes, guys, welcome back to another adventure here on Chef Royal TV. Today, guys, we're gonna be cooking some lamb. Yeah, some lamb ribs today. Well seasoned up, guys, and also some sweet potato fries. We're gonna be doing on the side, and also some coleslaw. Something just nice, simple, easy, and something different as well. Cameraman, come in again as usual to show them what we've got here. So here we got some lamb ribs, guys. Yeah, most of the fat has been removed. As you know, lamb is a fatty meat anyway, but yeah, look at the size of these guys. Massive lamb ribs, guys. Yeah, massive. But yeah, this is what we're gonna be doing today, some lamb ribs, guys. And here we've got our seasoning as well, our seasoning mix as well. Yeah, so seasoning mix, got chili flakes, some black pepper, some garlic granule, some green season mix, some garlic and ginger as well. And here we've got some here, guys, we've got some vinegar and some lemon that we're going to use. We're going to wash this and clean it now with some vinegar and lemon, and then after we're going to season it and we're going to leave it for a while and then come back and cook it after. Yeah, we need the season to soak in, so we're not going to cook it straight away. We're going to leave it for a while. Stay tuned. Here we go, guys. It's all clean, wash with a lemon and your vinegar. And now, guys, we're gonna go ahead and just put our season mix and so on in here now. Yeah, and then we're gonna mix it very well. We're gonna get our hands dirty. We're gonna get your hands in here and mix it very well. Yeah, you can wear gloves if you want to. I choose not to. It's up to you, really. But yeah, you need to get in here and then make sure all of it is all coated with all the seasoning. Yeah. All right, guys, and then you're gonna have to leave it after everything has been coated. Yeah, you're gonna have to then leave it for a while to marinate. Make sure all the seasoning is soaked in and so on, guys. Yeah, before we cook it. Yeah. All right. So, guys, here it is. Here's our lamb ribs, well marinated and seasoned to the bone, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get it in the oven. Put it in low and slow, so we want it to fall off the bone and nice and juicy, but at the same time tasty. We don't want it burned. Yeah. All right, stay tuned, guys, and we're going to show you the rest of the process for the potato fries and also our coleslaw as well that we're going to make. Yeah. So, guys, I'm in the process now of doing my sweet potato fries. I've peeled them, most of them already. I'm on the last bit, and I've cut them into chips, the shape of chips. See them? Yeah. Easy, guys. Easy. It's up to you. You can make your own, or you can buy them from the store, really. But it's easy, and I like to to make my own, really. Here you go, guys. Nice and easy. Homemade as well. Tastes better. So here we're gonna make our coleslaw. We've got some cabbage, which we have washed, and also the guys have grated it as well, so it's really fine as well. And I've got some carrots as well, which has been washed, and look at it, been grated as well. Yeah, and we've got some sweet corn as well. And I'm just gonna put them all together, guys. Yeah, this is where we're gonna incorporate them. Yeah. That's it. There you go, guys. And to this, we got some fresh black pepper. We're just gonna crack some fresh black pepper on here. Yeah. Just it. Otherwise it's gonna taste Clyden. Yeah. So you have to have a bit of black pepper on there. and your mayo as well, guys. Yeah, it's up to you how you want it, really. You don't have to overdo it. I like it pretty dry, yeah, not too much mayo in it. There you go, guys, all mixed together now. All our coleslaw, the carrot or cabbage or sweet corn, and there's a bit of salt and black pepper in here as well, guys. Yeah, yes guys, there you go. Yeah, almost there. Cheers, guys. The chef work is thirsty work, this job. Yes, guys. Yeah, put it in the fridge now and ready for a meal. So guys, so this is our fries. Our sweet potato fries, guys. I've put a bit of salt, black pepper, and a little bit of oil on it as well, and it's gonna go in the oven. We're not gonna fry this one. We're trying to keep it healthy, guys. Yeah, healthy. So here we go in the oven. Yeah, even though it's sweet potato, you treat it the same as you would do with any normal potato. Yeah, there you go, guys, in the oven. I reckon half an hour, 45 minutes, probably 180. It should be ready. If not, we just keep an eye on it, and yeah, until it's golden and ready and sweet. All right, guys, stay tuned. Yes, guys, so this is the final outcome, guys, of this is our sweet potato fries that was uncut, and then we put in the oven. Our coleslaw as well, homemade coleslaw with a bit of tomato here on the side. And here, guys, is the star of the show. Here we've got our honey glaze lamb ribs. Yeah, honey with some jerk seasoning and so on in it as well. But yeah, guys, it's so delicious. Honestly, looks delicious. And we've got a bit of sauce here as well, that some of the honey glaze sauce as well, that we can have on the side as well, guys. But yeah, beautiful, guys, beautiful, honestly. Yes, guys, so this is the final outcome, guys. So here we've got our homemade sweet potato fries, and also homemade coleslaw as well, with a bit of tomato here on the side, guys. And then here, the star of the show, guys, this is our lamb ribs that has been marinated in jerk sauce, or homemade jerk sauce and so on, and seasoning and different spices, guys. But yeah, this is it, guys, looking so delicious, guys, honestly. And here I'm gonna try it, guys. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, which one? Let's start with the little one. But yeah, looking delicious, guys, honestly. Yes, guys, nice. Bad. Finger licking. Yeah. Now let's try the coleslaw. Yeah. Creamy, crunchy, flavorful. That's nice, guys. Got a bit of sauce here as well. And my homemade honey barbecue jerk. Let's try one of the fries, guys. Wow. Yeah. Really good. Really good, guys. Really good. But yeah, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah. And thank you for watching as well. This is Chef Royal TV. We out.
Royal cooking, a chef royal cooking. Them man they cook from them a youth. No joking, I cook from you.